This 32-inch full-track power trowel is a powerhouse, perfectly balanced and ready to tackle any job. Powered by a dependable GX200 7 HP motor. It's built for both heavy-duty construction and precision finishing. Our skilled technician, Rick Stats from Down into Service and Repairs, has meticulously fine-tuned every detail, ensuring it operates at peak performance. Rick's expertise guarantees this machine is smooth, reliable, and ready to deliver outstanding results. Whether you're working on a large slab or a detailed finish, this full-track 32-inch power trowel is your go-to tool. We're thrilled to send it off to a happy customer who can trust it to handle any challenge with ease. With Rick's touch and its robust design, this machine is ready to make your work faster, smoother, and more efficient. Happy troweling!